Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a wonderful hair review on this unit that I have on today. It is not a wig. I actually custom made this myself, so stick around and tell me what you think. Bye. Okay, so today we are doing a review on, gotta get this out the bag, Naked Nature by Shake-N-Go, the Brazilian Virgin Remy. This is what the packaging looked like. Let me get this plastic out the way. And then this is what the model looks like. So ignore my childish fingers, Lord. So it starts out straight and then it ends out curly when you add water. It's 100% human hair, Brazilian Virgin Remy. You can dye it, bleach it, and perm it if you like, but no. Again, I told you guys I don't bleach yet, so we're working on that. I was just like, oh, why? Well, I bought it at the hair store, right? So I'm just like, oh, why is it straight in the package but it's curly on the mannequin? She was like, oh, when you add water it curls up, and as you can see, she sure as hell did. Alright, so this hair, it's 7 pieces. I got a 14, 14, 16, 16, 18, 18, and a silk base closure. I put it on the floor. Hold on a second. I actually didn't use the closure. I'm not so big on like closures that come with packaged hair. Let me see if I have it in here. This is how much hair was left that I actually didn't use on my unit. So as you can see, it's straight originally, right? I mean, I could have shoved this somewhere, but it was unnecessary. I thought the hair was pretty full. And then the closure that I was talking to you about. Oh, dear Lord. When I tell you, like, it had silk on the base, but I'm a dark skinned girl, so that was not gonna work well with me, so I cut it out. As you can see, a little bit left around the rim, but that's okay. And I wasn't really like 100% sold on the material that was used under the closure, so I said, we're not gonna use you. I'll save it, maybe I'll use it later, play around with it. I bought it, right? How much did this hair cost? I think I paid like $140 with tax. I bought it at my local beauty supply store, BSW. Whoop whoop, if you have one. If you don't, check your local beauty supply store. The hair comes in the natural brown color. I, for one, love to have my hair black, but I'm trying this natural brownish color out for vacation. San Diego, here we come. But I actually like it. I'm gonna see if I can turn around a little bit and show you guys the length. This is 14, 16, 18, double each bundle. So lengthwise, ooh, my back cracked, but lengthwise I think she's okay. A little bit in the back there. And I made this unit myself. I got a U-part closure, and then when I got it sewed, I think I did like individual tracks for the first 2 bundles, and then I doubled the next 2 bundles, and then I individualed the top 2 bundles, which kind of like makes it full in the middle but not too full on top where it looks crazy. To get this part, dear Lord, hopefully it don't look too crazy. Can you see it? I did the crochet method, which is when you just take the needle, you do 2 cornrows going back, crossover, and then going down, and then the rest of the cornrows don't really matter, except for I did perimeter ones to sew the unit down to. But after that, I took a crochet needle once I sewed the wig down, and I stuck it through individual parts, pulled the hair from the top piece, pulled it through, and laid it on top, so it kind of like hides the cornrows. It doesn't look too crazy. Pictures is gonna be flawless. So I stand by the method. I don't care what you think. That's what I like to do. It's easy, it's quick, and I don't need a closure. So if it didn't come with the closure, I really didn't care. But the hair is lovely. She's very soft. I need to name this wig. But she is very soft. I love the texture and everything. I don't think I'll ever wear it straight. To get it, obviously I used water, but after the first time adding water, which was like 3 days ago. Yeah, 3-4 days? I don't know. I added water a couple of days ago when I first had made it curly, and starting maybe like 2 days ago, I started adding Shea Moisture, the Jamaican castor oil one. I added like a drop of that into some water, and I also added a little bit of oil so that when I spritz it with water, It adds moisture, but without it, I still think she'd be soft. I can run my fingers through it. She's curly hair. Eventually she will snag. I don't care how much you pay for curly hair, she will snag. Even if it grew off your scalp, you know your hair snags. But so far she's good. Very full. I don't feel like there's holes or you can see my scalp or anything. But yeah, I really love this unit. Again, it is the Naked Nature by Shake-N-Go Brazilian Virgin Remy, and Wet and Wavy is the texture that we got. I could flat iron it, but nah. This is the season for the curly hair, and curly is what we're gonna do. So yeah, I guess that's all I have to say about this hair. If you have any questions, how I made the unit, probably make another one eventually. But if you have any questions, just leave it below. I don't have any nails on, so I'm trying not to show my fingers. I'm really trying. Okay, but thank you for watching, and I hope I gave you enough information. Bye.